Welcome. In front of me is the MARSHALL WILLEN II, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the portable speaker. Anyway, let's just pop it open. Now, I do want to point out one thing. I haven't opened it just yet, but these little stickers here look like they've already been opened. And they do definitely come off way too easily for something that's supposedly new. So, I'm approaching this as though it's new, but I have a suspicion that it's actually not. Let's see. And here we get cable that isn't clipped together, which it normally would be with a little paper. And below that, we have the speaker. I presume this is for the cable. And we get our manual. So, take a look at the speaker. And this is just kind of closed off in whatever way. Come on. There we go. Now, in terms of the looks, this speaker looks pretty damn nice. But the sound quality, oh boy, it's something to be leaves you desiring a little bit more. So I've used some of the bigger Marshalls like the Webern and the Acton, so I use them for a little bit longer. Those both are wired speakers, they don't have a built-in battery, and they are, well, let's just say the speakers there are alone bigger than this, and they have multiple. So yeah. Now anyway, let's just see if I can quickly connect it to my phone, which I should be able to. Or not. There we go, now it's in pairing mode and it shows up on my phone, so I'm gonna connect. Okay, connected. Okay, never mind. This actually sounds better than I expected. Okay. I mean, it's still obviously a massive step down from a much bigger speaker, but for the size of this actually sounds not too shabby. One thing cool about this is you have this little rubber thing that you can, let's see, oh, there we go, you can pull off, clip it to maybe like your bike rail, bike little handle or whatever, or clip it to your backpack or whatever, so anything like that. So it's a rubber one, as you can see it stretches just a little bit, should be pretty securely on there, which gives you a bit of mobility, I guess, with this, probably would be the correct word to use here. So just kind of continue this. I'm not gonna blast it super loud. This is very low volume. So on my phone it's like, let's see, I'm gonna lower it so it's gonna jump down. So it's like less than half, about a third of the volume. And here I haven't changed anything. Although I presume there is a, probably this is the volume knob partially. It's play, pause, I'm pretty sure. So let's see. Yep, play, pause. Now if I go, okay, so for some reason it doesn't want to go back when I'm moving back. Forward it did go, up and down is volume. And obviously pressing N is play and pause. So anyway, pretty cool little speaker. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.